na nituguthi na kuria mwena wa Malava turore uria maundu marathie na mbere tondu turatariria ati ni gukorwo ukiyumiria thogo mwena ucio mwena wa Manyonde wadini ya Butali Tegulo iyo ni county-ini ya Kakamega na ni thutha wa ngari ya muthemba wa Toyota Prado iria kuratuika yuma mũthabara-ini wa mũhũranĩri wa gĩturwa kia Malava na kiama kia DAPK niwe Seth Panyako kũmundio mwaki ni nyanake na kurerekana ati mihango ya uthuthuria ni kianjĩrĩirie ndugo ukimenya niki kirathie na mbere na toguo rakiyondera hau icio no imwe cia mbica iria iragithie na mbere gutumwo guku kuria ni wakiona kwe ngari ikorirwo ikigurwo na mahiga na oho ni kuri na ngari imundirio mwaki ni eno ni tukorwo tugithikiriria ni mariku magokorwo magithie na mbere na kutondu Eugene wa Malwa uria niwe mutongoria wa kiama kia DAPK ni mwena ucio na ni akorirwo akirekereria ndumiriri yake ni tuthikiririe uria akorirwo akiuga.
There was no police. Matete police station said they had no vehicle. The vehicle had gone to Malava. When I called the county commandant, she told me she's intervening. The first one I called, she took it lightly. She didn't intervene. I wrote her message. She refused to read my call. I wrote her message, then she called back. I asked her, I'm just calling you to report that I'm under attack and you disconnect my call. Then we left, of course. We had to find a way out. But I can assure you that a person who attacks your driver, your personal driver, injures him, is a person who is coming after your life. I have no drivers speaking today. My driver has been grievously injured. I have many of my employees who work at the hotel. 10 so far we have seen. One is still in theater as we talk. They have been grievously injured.
One of the victims of this attack had his intestines actually torn out. As we left Webuye Sub-County Hospital, he was in theater. And he's not out of danger yet. Would want to request you that you accompany us there. And we also would like you as the media, as our key partners, free media being the cornerstone of our democracy, to know that our democracy is facing its darkest hour of peril. And you, the media, can actually defend our democracy by exposing all electoral malpractices. One of those under Article 81 of our Constitution that undermines free and fair elections is violence. The other malpractice is, of course, voter bribery. And the third, which is a tool that this regime is employing, is ballot stuffing. We did realize yesterday that we had quite a number of ballots that are unaccounted for because the serialization of the over 800,000 ballots printed in Greece was tampered with. They did not allow us as participants in this electoral process to inspect and to verify these ballots, which was a grievous omission by IEBC. And we do know that the serialization has quite a number that are unaccounted for in terms of ballots. These ballots, 10,000 have been imported into Malava constituency. We are aware another 10,000 has been imported to Ngari, and 15,000 has been imported into Mbeere North. The tool of violence, the violence visited on our candidate directly, is meant to create the environment, conducive environment for voter stuffing and voter suppression. We want to urge all our supporters across the country, from Ngari to Mbeere to Malava, to come out. The only way we can defeat this system is by coming out in large numbers. We have over 90,000 registered voters in Malava. So even if they cast 10,000 ballots that are not for the people of Malava, and the people of Malava come out in large numbers, we shall overwhelm them.
Na mweroreri aku ni mwena wa Malava hau ni hau kabere kuria mutongoria wa kiama kia DAPK